Today we're going to be talking about AI lead generation. So that is basically getting leads from LLMs, ChatGPT, Claude, Google Gemini. I'm joined with James. We obviously do a lot of GEO optimization. To be honest, I don't know what people actually call it. Some people call it AI SEO optimization. Some people call it LLM SEO optimization. Other people call it GEO optimization. We'll call it GEO optimization just because it rolls off the tongue. But we've obviously done a lot of testing. What are some strategies that seem to be working, and why should people be focusing on it as well?
Yeah, so I am a massive believer with regards to lead generation strategies that you should be omni-channel and omnipresent. So holistically being seen wherever your potential customer could be that's searching for the service of what you offer. So could somebody be searching in ChatGPT or within Google and Gemini AI overview shows up and present you there? If the answer is yes, then you should be optimizing for the AI and you should be optimizing for the LLMs. If anyone doesn't know what LLM stands for, it stands for large language models. And that's the algorithm that kind of feeds the AI answers. So you want to be seen in ChatGPT and these other places. So with regards to the strategies, it crosses over very closely with search engine optimization. However, there is some core fundamental differences where within Google and within SEO, they look at page rank. Within the LLMs, they're looking for the infinite loop of self-corroboration. So they want to be seen repeating the same message and have trusted and be confident with your entity and with your brand. And therefore, what we're wanting to trying to do with AI lead generation is get that brand in as many different LLMs as possible. So with regards to GEO, Kasra, what do you think if someone's wanting more leads, they want to grow their business and they're searching for AI lead generation because they know they need more leads and they're thinking AI is the answer? What's your kind of answer to that of why they should be doing it?
So I actually done a video on this earlier, and basically I said how SEO is slightly changing. Previously, you would do SEO and you would show up in Google and you would show up in Bing or maybe Ask Jeeves and stuff like that. But now, if you actually have a well optimized SEO website, and there might be a few tweaks and stuff like that you would need to make, you're actually instantly getting more visibility from all of these LLMs, whether it's Claude, Gemini, AI, ChatGPT, etc. So just by making a few very simple tweaks like the foundational stuff, making certain that you are writing with entities, for example, throughout your content, you can actually get very easily more visibility across all of the LLMs.
Yeah, for sure. So if anyone is watching this and you're looking for AI lead generation strategies, make certain you're writing in semantic triples. Make certain you check out our video about semantic triple factoids if you want to know more about how to write for getting in the AI overviews. If you are looking to team up with a potential AI lead generation company, make certain you're heading over to fatrank.com and hopefully we could help you with a no risk supply of inquiries. Generally speaking, we work on a commission-based lead generation strategy or performance-based lead generation service. Heading over to FatRank, fill in the form, and hopefully we can help you with AI lead generation.